Just another day at Sunbelt Roofs. Standing here on the lakefront of New Orleans. You can see a plane coming into MSY, New Orleans Airport. In Lake Pontchartrain. We're here on a new construction. Sorry about the sun. This will be a Fortified certified roof on a very, very beautiful house with a great view. As you can see, redevelopment going on here across the lakefront. Kind of some high dollar property. Some of these homes could be 60 years old, more or less. So in the redevelopment phase, they're buying these homes, tearing them down. See that big crane there? That's a pile driver. They're actually putting wood pilings down to solid, I don't want to call it bedrock, but more solid ground to help support the weight and the load of these homes. But I'll give you an update from the front so you can kind of see what that looks like. Just some interesting things here in New Orleans. Check us out at sunbeltroofs.com, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, or give us a call in Louisiana, 985-805-6921. Thanks.